Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a preview of my new listing, 6461 South Harding Avenue in Clinton. We'll be doing an open house this weekend. Details are in the comments, so definitely come out and see us. This house is awesome. Let me show you. So check out this beautiful home. Right when you walk in the door, you can tell it's been completely remodeled top to bottom. All new, fresh paint, new dishwasher, new refrigerator, new bathtubs. The fireplace has been serviced. There is a new hot water heater, a new roof. The exterior paint is done as well. This house is absolutely move-in ready, perfect, gorgeous house. It's also been professionally cleaned after the remodel, so it is ready for you and all of your decorating ideas. Got the washer and dryer through there. Nice bathroom here. And two really nice sized bedrooms in addition to the primary bedroom. And this is on almost half an acre, so plenty of space inside, outside. And it's only 4 minutes from the Clinton Ferry. So come by, say hi, it'll be this weekend. Come check it out for yourself and see what you think. There's also some fruit trees in the front yard, so come see this beautiful home.